Okay, another project that's got to be done rapido because you're moving in with grandma and there's only one bathroom, so we're going to create a powder room out of a closet. Fun stuff. This is the room. Don't get distracted. You got stuff in your house too, but this is because people are moving, so don't criticize. Now, here's the closet, regular corner in the house. It's an old historical house with a microscopic closet, and that's where the cabinet is in the closet. We're gonna put a sink there, change all that out, say goodbye, and then a toilet over there. But, you know, it's gonna be nice to have a second toilet and wash basin in the house. Okay, this is the process. Get the cabinet out and start taking up the oak. And the thing about oak is it's got a billion nails in it. Look at this. But that's the least of your worries. Termite damage. Are we surprised? Southern California, we're not surprised. And then there's even going to be more surprises because you remember we're going to put a toilet right there. So what's under a toilet? So of course there's a floor joist right in the center, which is where the toilet drain has to go. So yours truly has to head it out, reframe it for the plumber so he can do his magic today. So there's the original one, of course, and it was in the center where the toilet's gonna go. So we cut it out and double header it out, fasten them one at a time to it. That board over there is actually sitting on a beam, and then that's hole is for the closet ring or the toilet drain. Now we cover it up and leave it loose so the plumber can get in here. Okay, put those plumbers to work, and now you have drains and water to your little closet. So there you go. Somewhere that way they hooked up the drain. I'm not gonna go under there. New pipes and everything. Water there, okay? Basically we just call it a built-in. It's gonna have a countertop wide open here. If they wanna put doors later, once they get the finished material on it, be beautiful. Okay, the plumbing's in, like I said, and electrical got done. Exhaust fan off to the side there. It's getting cattywampus there, but it's a tricky job here in the closet. Got all the patches done. One coat. So I'm wearing a lot of different bags on this one. You know, a little drywall work. I don't normally do some of this hot mud, but old plaster, but the texture's so, you know, irregular. I think I can do that. I might be able to match it. See, I've already put some patches in there, and they're, you know, heap of jamba. So, call me for all your old nasty jobs. So then, of course, everybody has to come out and do their part. Look at this countertop. They did a nice job there. Sink in the corner, in this case, so we could get more stuff on the counter because it's really shallow, okay? So then you look at the guy who did the texture and say, who did that? And it turned out pretty good considering, and you don't have a light here. I'm not sure why. And they removed that item, so it seems like things never get done all the way, but they eventually do. Toilet in that corner. So remember we had oak flooring. We decided to go with tile. It's a great idea. So converted a closet into a powder room. It was the first time for everything.